Oh, we got the top secret thing.
That shit gas.
Hit it and you hear the horse. You know that I'm rich, of course. Ballin' better check the score.
Hey, yo, good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. We're in the Z with it, you feel me? But today we're going to my first ever car show, or car meet, I guess. It's like a garage car meet in Luxembourg, so I'm kind of pumped for that. We're not going to take the Z because there's going to be hella cars. And last time it was kind of hot with the cops. And I'm not taking the Z, bro. But we're going to be riding with the homie Dale. We're going to be sliding through, you feel me? With the GoPro. We got it all charged and everything. Everything over there, you feel me? But yeah, we're probably just going to go there, see what's up with it. Get some cars leaving, get some cars entering. I mean, just some fun stuff for reals. But yeah, so I mean, I'll see y'all when we there. Hit that like button, subscribe. I don't say that, but do it right now. Thank you. Love you guys. I was recording a time lapse by accident, but bro, they shut this shit down.
Hey, homie over hoes. Homie over hoes.
This is my cameraman though. Pay this nigga 25 cents to record.
Sheesh.
Hit the truck though.
Me no habla English.
They got the Evo though. The Evo. We got civilian cars out this bitch.
Oh, bro, he got the civilian car. Oh, he's about to cut up, bro. This is fire right here. Bro, that shit's nice as fuck. Hey. Ooh, look at that.
nobody know, but that shit NA though. We're gonna get kicked out.
Bro, that paint's first.
That's super.
That's right. One of these niggas have a laptop in my dude.
Yeah. I was supposed to race on
SS? Jeez.
383 stroke in this bitch? Let's say 383.
I think one of them got a. Damn. I didn't know he got into it. His door? Damn.
Wide body scat.
What is that? What do you got on?
Is Shelby?
Yeah.
Jeez.
Yeah, I seen him at the gym with it. I was like, damn, nigga. Oh, bro, look at the fucking wheels on that dude. Bitch, yeah, I don't know.
That spray paint? Yeah. With the Red Bull under the red, nigga. That scab. Yo, look how much space that bitch is taking up. Oh, the 300. Jeez.
Hello, Ricardo. Should have pulled up for this.
Oh, the Porsche. Is this a GT? No. It's a V6.
Civic.
It's the Eco Boost.
Nigga pulled up with the Eco Boost, nigga. After my
Staff? Oh yeah, I was wondering how he did.
Yeah. Except for the when they try to make it look like a Supra.
What, like this?
Yeah, because they got the Supra head on.
If I will be able to go on that, I would get it.
We get embarrassed. She got to pull away. She's like, nah, nigga.
This is our race.
Kannst auch einfach ganz schlimm sein. Weil du keinen Gewicht auf der Hinterachse hast. Du hast kein ABS, du hast halt nichts.
That shit hurt my shoulder, bro.
Alors pourquoi est-ce qu'il dit que c'est 40 minutes d'ici alors?
Is it S2000? Isn't this S2000? And Miata? Bro, they kind of look this. They do look huge. The paint on this is fire. Initial D. Oh, the mini beam. All these? Sheesh. Oh, bro. Sheesh. Best car of the day, man. You know you can put these on your fucking D and they're
Yeah. But it's not worth it. They're better.
see it. It's probably over 100,000.
Damn, they got the crown, nigga. My boy Joey Nishida used to have
And
one.
it's supercharged. Oh shit.
Damn, nigga.
Still over it, man. Oh, with the LED headlights, nigga.
It's like, it looks like a supercar type shit.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, like the swaps.
Yeah. No, so it's
Oh, you got the top secret thing? Yeah.
that shit gas over here.
Yeah,
This
all
shit-
carbon, nigga.
This shit's clean right here. What you want to? That nigga's not stopping.
Damn, nigga.
It's an RT.
Damn. My boy talking about, nigga, I spent as much as an SRT in Germany for this Hemi, nigga. He even got the turbo on this shit. Oh, the Legacy, though. Those got twin turbos in them, nigga. I believe. He talking about black niggas pulling up on the lot, nigga.
This is clean. M4.
I was this close to getting a Subaru, nigga. Yeah, seen on base.
Bro, he's playing shit.
Yeah, gotta say Jay-Z on that nigga. Talking about me. He's the fitment though. Sheesh, we got motherfucking. He finally finished his bill, nigga. What? This nigga just like. Nah, that shit the fucking. Yeah.
Alright, boys, his lightning in this car fucking sucks. This is about to. Oh, it's dead.
So rate the car meet. Rate it.
Hold up.
Yeah, this nigga said. You can't see mine. But nigga, I feel like I seen his Volvo 10 times, nigga. Smash that like button, subscribe. How many likes to make out right now, Tyler?
Dude.
At least
20 like.
20,000, nigga.
He said 2.
And I'ma make that drip, no faucet, yeah.
370!
Pops call, nigga.
That bitch, smoke